Hey, hello. Ako ba channel ko naman? At pagpasensyahan niyo po ako kahapon. After namin makipag-birthday ang kay Nanay Dutch, nung kami nasa lounge ng Jowa, hindi ko na na-video o na-vlog yung eksena sa loob. Kasi puro pamilya niya, nahiya ako mag-video. Tsaka baka mamaya ayaw nila. Diba? Nakapag-prepared na ako. May pasok kasi ako mamaya mga Ka Memey. Ang Jowa, ayun ang kusina namin, oh. Yaan niya sa susunod, full update. Hindi pa talaga kami tapos, oh. Kasi nga, ang tinatanong dito, meron kaming time, ang tanong, may energy pa ba? After. You can put in a one paper. We need to put one paper for all the warranty. Because yung mga bagong binili niya, may mga warranty kasi yan. So, at hindi ko nakasama ang jowa at ako'y lalabas at ako'y iinom ng coffee. At ako'y gagawa pa ng assignment at meron kaming nag-school ako, alam nyo na. Busy at school. Pak, paggawa kaya ako ng panga. Diba? Papapanga ako dito, pak. Panga pa mo. Wala lang akong panga daw. Tiyala. Maano ako, mala Tony Gonzaga dati. Walang panga. Sabi nga Norn. Kala mo naman. Tiyala. Okay, then. We go out.
Yeah, let's go out.
You wanna join with me or no?
Nee, ik wil ook even uit.
Because I will sit in one place. I will write something because of my homework in Wednesday.
Goed bezig.
And I will look, maybe they have sample of in the YouTube, so I I want to have some idea. I really don't have idea, and then we need to speak flow Nederlandtal or pagoda na sa Ka Memey. Charot. Ay, nandito kami sa bahay. Of course, dito pa rin kami sa bahay. After ng kay Mother Nanay Dutch celebration, at tuloy pa rin ang ganap namin sa aming renovation at dumating na ang aking tingnan nyo ang aming biniling stool kasi nawala na yung dito, diba? Ito pa isa nagawa na niya. Thank you, Jowa. Busy siya at napakalamig sa labas. Lumamig na naman sa labas. Ang Jowa ay ito ang ginaganap. Malapit na kami matapos at pag ito natapos na lahat, ipapasilip ko sa inyo mga Ka Memey. Ipapasilip ng kabuuan ni Ka Memey. Ito pa yung gamit ko galing ako sa labas eh. How's your assemble? Who catch your assemble for?
Mostly similar to yesterday, so that's
Yeah. It's mostly similar. Ang kuyakoy. Gusto ko ng kuyakoy. Magkaiba sila. Ito may pagkuyakoy din siya. Yan, konti lang. Pero yung super kuyakoy. Ang sarap matulog, diba? Lalo na yung sa probinsya. Diba? Ang ganda ng sofa namin. Thank you for choosing Scott for the sofa. Yeah. Can I try?
Of course.
The kuyakoy.
Kuya.
Oh! Ayan, sarap. Beche. Yeah.
Deze gewoon weer draaien. Hè?
Yeah. Oh, yan, sarap Ka Memey, mga Ka Memey. Lagay ko dito. Makita nyo ba ako? Makikita nyo kayo? Oh, wait lang daw. Alam mo naman ako, excited ako sa mga ganap natin.
Excited is okay, hè?
It's so excitement. Baya klaar? Oh! Kenok Daisy kan. Kenok in the half eh. I mean,
Schuin.
yeah.
Een beetje
Yeah.
zo.
Tinagilid niya kasi eh. Yan.
Dan gaat deze
Magkuyakoy tayo, dali. I-try na natin! O, try. Yee! Yay, o klipay, che, o.
Ja, een beetje. Maar
Beetje.
die gaat echt lekker in de muur.
Ito yung gusto niya, ito gusto ko pag nakataas din pa ako dito dahil makakatulog na tayo galing sa work. Oh my gulay. Oh. Yan At saka mababa lang talaga yung aking inano. Kasi nga maliit tayo, di ba? Abot natin ang... You wanna try
Thank you
this?
for the chairs, huh?
Nee, this is for us.
It's your investment in our house.
Nee, this is for us. You wanna try this?
Yeah.
We change.
Hi.
Changing. Oh, this is okay. This is much more down than this one.
Nou, hier kun je, you can actually balance this, hè? Dat is wel lekker. Kun je
Yeah.
zo doen.
Even you can stop it because of your...
Yeah, and of course, if your legs are not too big, you can easily do this.
Yeah.
And if it's big, you do like
How
this.
is it?
Ja, lekker.
Mhm.
Easy
You
to
like
keep.
it? Yeah, and try to put your foot in. Your foot there. Ang OA. Ang OA. Tinakausap kita. Put your foot. Slowly, my camera.
Oh, ja. Okay.
Nice, yeah?
Oh,
Ang
I'm
OA.
in the empty.
Ang OA.
I'm the roller coaster.
Ka-OA yan ng Jowa. Tinaray namin. Dalawa talagang binili ko kasi nga para tingin sa amin. Pag sawa na siya dito, this one is much more up and this one much more deep. But because of the shape of the
Yeah.
frame. That's but very nice. I don't like the other one like that. The other one that we
Yeah,
see.
it's different. We got some chairs to choose now. It's nice.
Even we can slant if they have people here.
Hmm?
We can slant this one there. So
Ja, dat kan allemaal.
Ganda. Sa wakas, mga Ka Memey, nabuksan ng tilon. Ang tilon. Oh, open na ulit kami, mama. Mga Ka Memey, mama. Bukas na ulit. Oh, ang saya. Bukas na ulit ang aming garden. Bukas na. Wala na yun. Tinanggal na, pati yun. Tapos ng renovation dito sa part namin. Pero yung baba namin gagawin pa. Kasi mahigpit na ngayon dahil ang seguridad. Hindi na basta-basta makakapasok ang mga Emelatek. Dito ako sa duyan. Kaya ako to binili eh. Gusto ko magduyan-duyan eh. Diba? Kain tayo ng vitamin C. Fresh from Japan. Charot. Mga Ka Memey, we're back in IKEA. At ito ng Jowa, bumili na kami ng carpet. Bumili na pala ako, charot. Pa-birthday ko sa kanya at pa-birthday ko sa kanya. Nagustuhan naman niya, siya ang pinapili ko. Para din sa bahay. Kasi ko sa IKEA, sana magkasya to sa amin sasakyan. Kasi pahirapan. Malaki. Mahaba. Dito ilalagay namin dito yung sa one comer sa aming living room. Kaya ayun, loaded. Yan ang Jowa, mga kami. Ilo-load lang namin tong aming carpet. May bagong carpets kami. Charot. Ayan na mga Ka Memey, nasa loob na kami. Ako pala, ang Jowa inaayos. Tingnan na may tsura namin, day. Sardinas to the highest power. Are you okay, Dar?
Yeah, I'm fine. Combining everyone with.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do?
Never ever been so close to the carpet. Nee, lekker naar huis.
Yeah.
Wil jij ook?
Uwi na kami.
Van je hand?
I just washed my hand. Let's go.
Yep. I'm surprised.
Hi! Welcome back to my channel, it's Meron, Ka Memey vlog. Ito na, ilalagay yung namin. Kasi di ba bumili kami ng ano ngayon lang namin na ilalagay talaga. Sumad-sumadan din no? Yung aming mga Ka Memey, yung carpet, ilalagay na. Scott, where's the other one? The one that you buy. We need to put it here.
Yeah, we need to start. And it's a little smaller than the carpet.
Oh, but this is just around. We will put something here first. Binili namin para hindi gumanon yung carpet. Can you put the other side?
Yeah, but it's all sticky. Yeah, and then carpet.
Because it's ano ko na rin siya, na-map ko na rin siya.
Okay.
This fair.
Ja, dat is 3 meter.
Kijk, you need to
Ja, hier moet je ook nog los.
open.
Ja, wat heel moeilijk.
You are the moeilijk.
Oh ja, maar dat sowieso.
You need to put a little energy, alsjeblieft. A much more energy to you. Aba, para kang ang lamya-lamya. Deze.
Maar.
No war. In the middle.
Oh, deze.
Ang war.
Dan wat,
Ik ben moe, ha?
Ja,
My shoulder and my arm is... I told you from the start. I just promised to do this now, but to asking me, I can't. We have another one here. Yeah, everything. You need to move all, Scott. Kai, you don't see that?
Nee.
Kai, still fold there in your side, in the middle. Yeah. Now it's okay.
Okay.
Well, how can we do this again or
Zo denk ik.
which one?
Nee. Gewoon zo.
Deze?
Ja. The edge.
Until where?
Nou, gewoon tot de bank. The carpet we will put it under.
Okay, still have here. This is what I told you. Ganito ka pa. Carpet lang.
Oh ja.
Oh yeah, you need to unfold.
Ja, dat moet ik wel een beetje strak.
May kasama ka talagang. The carpet. Okay.
Kijk, dit is zo recht trouwens.
Moet
Ja, dat is toch nog af.
that's hard, huh?
Nou,
Well, you don't break it.
nou misschien maybe will like this.
Yeah.
Ja.
Wat ik bedoel. Get the scissor.
Ik weet niet hoe veilig allemaal. Okay, if you feel sure, go.
What do you mean if not sure? Huh?
Yeah, with the scar.
You don't want to decide to buy this one and then you said if you're not sure.
Ja, ik moet het niet. Nou, ik zit nog een keer vast. Mooi stoel,
Ouch. Get me out of the beat. May sabi. Really pa na ako kayo. Lagi kang bakal-bakal eh. That's outside.
Ja.
Nee. Daisy. Then roll it.
Yeah, and then put it underneath the heater until the wall.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can roll it like this. Whack. We begin dark. Then we roll it. Hello?
Ja, running good.
Oh. Carpet pa lang is this energy already.
Dat is 50 kilo, dat klopt wel.
We put it first there. Until there. Before we move there. Here.
Ja, ja. Ja. Perfect.
No, you move a little bit more. Here first.
Ja, ja. Pull it more. Ja, goed.
It's here. We can move a little bit. Oh, this is the last.
No, it's actually maybe even fine if it's until the wall. Yeah,
Right.
oh yeah, I need to lift later. First I want to put it straight.
What you mean straight?
So it needs to connect to the wall there. That's why here and here.
Hindi mo na napansin. That's what I'm telling you. We need to move it first because you're there. You are there.
Ja, moet wel even weten hoeveel.
Here first, Scott. You move it first here because we moved there.
Yeah, but
What are you talking about? Yeah, that's what I do. Then we can look if it's straight or not.
Okay.
A little bit here.
Nou, dat is wel goed.
You can look if it's straight already.
Nou, ik vind hem best wel straight hoor.
Oh, sarap. Gusto ko na humiga.
Lekker hè?
Yeah, see this one, no? Yeah, you put, yeah.
Ja, doe maar even zo hoor.
It's the carpet.
Mag, ja maar hier. Maybe we lift